What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tony, and this beautiful man behind me is Brandon, and in the last couple videos we've been working on my personal car, 2005 Lotus Elise. Tonight we're putting on our Radium Coolant Reservoir. This is a really nice piece. It's the first thing that I've ever bought from Radium, and I'm really impressed with the quality. We just got done building it, and next we're going to install the brackets. It comes with a really nice custom CNC bracket. So far it seems like it's a pretty easy install, and it's really going to clean up the engine bay. We're getting the last bracket on. The kit comes with two. You have this main bracket to hold the reservoir, and there's a lower one.
If you get it, no, the holes are drilled wrong.
Yeah, ours were drilled just a little off, so we had to not only chase our holes because they got cross-threaded a little bit, we had to wallow out the holes on the actual bracket, but only an extra 10 minutes of work. It wasn't too bad. The reservoir came together real nice too. This is a fantastic piece. It's one of those parts that when you finally hold it in your hand, you're actually happy with the money you spent on it. It's, like I said, it's definitely worth the money. It did come with these AN to nipple fittings. We're gonna change those out to AN to hose fittings. I don't want to have all these nice AN lines and then have a hose clamp on the end of them. That's about it for tonight. The install went pretty smooth. We did it in probably under an hour. We did do a few extra things just because we have the clam off and we have access to everything. But for the most part, the install went really smooth, and it's such a good looking piece. We're really happy with it. We can't wait till we get everything else ran. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go ahead and pull these off. We're gonna order the new fittings from Vibrant Performance, and along with the fittings on here, we're gonna get fittings ordered here. We're also going to get all of this wrapped in our loom like we did here. So it's coming along really well. As soon as we get those lines in, we're gonna start the last steps of getting all of this cleaned up. The very last things we're going to do, we're gonna get the valve cover painted, the intake manifolds get painted, and hopefully in the next few weeks, we're gonna start reassembly.